what builds the strongest of companies is having the people with the right mentality, more so than anything. I care about that more than skill set. So just keep that in mind. Your mentality, being a hard worker, having good work ethic, those are the things that are really going to get you where you want to go. So like I said, you can start off with that beginning intern type of position where you're just doing electrical wiring or assembly, and work your way up to being a programmer. Don't even have to go to college if it's something you don't want to do. The downfall to that is a lot of companies will kind of pigeonhole you and stick you into that position. You'll kind of be stuck in that position. I've seen that quite a bit, and it actually kind of happened to me a little bit until I basically pushed myself forward, and I also worked for a company that had a lot of holes in it. So like I could basically be like, oh, I noticed we don't have anybody to program HMI, or I noticed we don't have anybody to really program PLC. And so like I would step into those positions, I would learn those job titles, and I would even spend some of my time outside of work learning those different skill sets. And then I'd be like, hey, look, I've been doing this thing. Can I do it on this